It looks easy, right? A simple handshake to close the deal. But if we take a step back, we'll see that this partnership wasn't obtained by simply reaching out for a handshake. If that was the case, how long until this happens? Not long at all. If a partnership is not built upon a common agreement, common goal, and mutual benefit, then the handshake is just a handshake while it lasts. Using the right methods and addressing the right factors is crucial to properly obtain a successful partnership rather than a handshake that is likely to break down. For UTS, there are three key factors to be considered when trying to obtain a partnership. 1, the approach taken to partnering. 2, the ways of engaging. And 3, the ability to attract and retain people. UTS wants to have several new partnerships by 2027. Using the SWOCR strategic analysis, UTS can analyse all internal and external factors from all domains of the university and use these to aspire towards achieving their end goal. Firstly, UTS must take an approach to partnering where it properly addresses the wants and needs of its customers. One of UTS's main strengths is that its IT is a global leader in teaching and learning with real-world research through practice-based and industry-connected methods. It should use this strength to take a technological approach to partnering, using its leading technology to show potential partners what differentiates them from other universities. However, a weakness of using this technological approach is that UTS may not be able to attract certain partners with its main strength being only technology. In this approach to partnering, though, UTS has the opportunity of using any new technological advancements to their advantage. Being skilled in this area, they can effectively implement these advancements before any other university, which will allow them to have a competitive advantage over competitors, with competitors being their main challenge. By taking this approach to partnering, UTS aspires to create strategic and mutually beneficial partners by 2027. Moving on, secondly, UTS must develop ways to engage in order to obtain its desired partnerships. UTS's strength in engaging is that they have already engaged with several different initiatives and campaigns, including sexual assault awareness, Indigenous engagement, and sexual diversity, and much more. However, being part of such an extensive amount of campaigns and initiatives, it can also be a weakness, as it's very likely that some partners may not like at least one of the initiatives that UTS currently supports. Despite this, UTS has the opportunity to engage with people all over the world. UTS has 251 exchange agreements, which allows people to study internationally in 41 different countries. It shows the opportunity to promote itself globally and perhaps even increase online study to international countries. One of the challenges, though, that UTS faces in engaging is its location and its ability to expand. Being located only in the city makes it difficult to target many people in different areas. But overall, this key finding indicates that UTS does aspire to develop stronger connections and engage with people globally in order to gain several new partnerships by 2027. Finally, another key factor in assessing UTS's ability to gain partnerships is people. This is a key factor. So UTS's strength in attracting and retaining people is its powerful and established name. UTS is known to be a leading university where students strive to be accepted into. Being ranked as the top university in Australia and within the top 200 universities globally makes it an attractive university to almost anyone. However, students can move to other universities at any time for any different reasons, which is a potential weakness. But in attracting and retaining people, UTS has the opportunity to target millions of middle school and high school students wanting to begin their tertiary education. They can even provide mentoring programs and expand their name in the educational system. UTS's main challenge, however, in attracting and retaining people is competitors. Increasing competition means that students will consider new universities, colleges, or other methods of tertiary education for different reasons. Therefore, they must aspire to build strong relationships with new and existing people and show how much it values its relationships. Overall, I've noticed several strengths and flaws of using the SWOCR analysis. By identifying strengths, an organisation is able to identify opportunities and improve or prevent weaknesses. The analysis also allows an organisation to identify what may be lacking or what needs improvement. It also allows an organisation to look deeper within the organisation and analyse all factors required to obtain the specific goal. However, the analysis is somewhat vague and factors identified are often obvious, making it more of a brainstorming task rather than an effective tool that analyses data and research. But if UTS can develop a successful approach to partnering, develop new ways to engage, and attract and retain people, the handshake will be glued like super glue.